Now, martensite. So martensite, this is the body centered. So this is the BCC structures. Okay, tetragonal iron phase produced by entrapping the carbon on the decomposition of austenite when they cool rapidly. It is a main constituent of hardened steel. It is a magnetic and it is made up of needle-like fibrous mass. It has a carbon content up to 2%, means it is a steel. Okay, it is extremely hard and brittle. The decomposition of austenite below the 320 degrees C starts to formation of martensites. So decomposition of austenite, right? That we have discussed at the first topic, first one, austenite. So decomposition of austenite below this particular temperature, then it is known as so then is the start formation of martensite.